BlockFi Pro. I'm Fabio. Please, before start the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are right now in 1 day Bitcoin chart. We can see the last candle we closed 17 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. The new candle opened with 18 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. But we need to wait in 19 hour for the close candle. Okay, this is just started. We can see the EMA 21 right now is likely the support to the price. In market cipher B we can see the money flow is still high, but is start to going down a little bit. Momentum wave going down, RSI stochastic a little bit going down, but I like this view up because it's very good curve, likely recovery to the upside. Okay, this is very good, very bullish. In the RSI we can see the RSI is below to the EMA 22. We waiting for some kind of reaction to the upside and try to cross the EMA 22. May we get a rejection, may we can cross. We need to waiting practically the next 24 hours. Okay, if we're looking for our chart, what we can see the EMA 21 change the color blue to red. This is bearish sign. The money flow it's red. The VWAP it's likely going down, test zero line. We need to see if we finally crossing the zero line and going down, or we get a reaction to the upside. Here we can see we waiting for a red dot in 4 hour chart. I expect my best scenario was red dot, momentum wave going down, create a green dot and start to going up. Okay, after going up I'm waiting for another red dot going down a little bit and going up another time and create a bullish divergence. Okay, I'm expect guys, retest the EMA 200 in the Bitcoin price, likely $6,400, may $600-700. I am expect test this EMA 200. Okay, may not, may yes, but this is what I expect right now. The chart is not very bullish right now. It's bullish a long term, but in short term, in the last probably 24 hour, 48 hour, I'm expect for like the last drop to the price before start to going up. Okay, we can see the money flow in 8 hour. It's very low. It's likely try to go into the red territory. Just the VWAP is likely going up right now and save the money flow. But we need to see because we can see just for like a flash crash and touch 60,000. Okay, I will not surprise if this happened Saturday afternoon. We need to see. In 2 hour chart we can see we start going to the red. We get big green dot. 2 hour chart we get a green dot, a red dot. Right now probably the momentum wave probably going down a little bit and may going up. This will be create a bullish divergence and may try to going up. In 1 hour 2 we are in red. We get 2 big green dots. This is very bullish sign. In 30 minute red, 15 minute red. The correction is not end yet. I expect the price going likely in 60,000, 61,000. This is what I expect right now, and we need to check very well. In 6 hours we are in red too with the money flow. 8 hours not yet. But guys, in 6 days this candle is closing in 1 day 20 hours. we can see we waiting for our red dot, okay. And guys, we need to check in the weekly chart too, because the weekly chart is bullish. We can see the money flow is going up. The momentum wave is still going up, but probably with depend what's happening in the next 24 hours. We need to check the momentum wave for the 1-day chart, because right now it's bullish, it's going up, the money flow good. The VWAP recovery in sideways is not bad. One week chart is good for Bitcoin, okay. If we're looking for Ethereum price, what we can see? We can see we close the candle 15 for bearish, mine 1 for bullish. The new candle open 20 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. The bearish have a control right now. We almost test in 1-day chart the May 2021. In market cipher B, we can see the momentum wave. The money flow is still very high, 29, but it start to going down a little bit. The VWAP is going down, momentum wave going down, RSI, stochastic going down. Everything is going down right now in 1-day chart, but the money flow is very high. In weekly chart, we can see the money flow is going up. The VWAP is going down, but likely recovery, probably touch the zero line and going up. This is not very bad. We can see we still have a yellow diamond in 1 week chart. This is good. And we still have our green dot in 1 month chart for Ethereum. Very important to confirm this green dot. For Ethereum, we can see we get the money flow in red below the zero. We get the green dot, another red dot. Probably we will see a drop in Bitcoin, in Ethereum too. Maybe we can retest the image 202 in 4 hours. I don't think we will go very down like this, but it's a possibility, guys. We need to, because if Bitcoin is going down, probably Ethereum too. We need to check very well in the monthly, weekly and daily. We can see we have here in $4,300 we have the old all-time high. Also we have a monthly and weekly resistance here. Probably it's a possibility, okay, retest of 4,100 or 4,300 for Ethereum, but just a flash crash, okay. Our target for Ethereum is still $5,100, but right now we're waiting for this correction. Right now we can see in 1 hour chart the money flow is almost in red. In 2 hours too. Guys, this is what we have right now. If we're looking for XRP, what we can see in XRP, we can see we close the candle 19 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. The new candle open 20 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. It's likely the bearish have a control. It's likely the EMA 21 is the support for the price. In market cipher B, we can see the momentum wave going down, RSI stochastic going down, VWAP going down, money flow too going down. Everything is going down right now for XRP. In 1 weekly chart, we can see a bullish chart. We have a money flow going down, going up, momentum wave going up, VWAP going up, RSI stochastic sideways. This is not bad. The weekly chart for XRP. Is just the start May 4 hour chart. 6 hour, no, 6 hour is still healthy. 4-hour chart we get red money flow, 2-hour chart too, 1-hour chart is the same thing for Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. We need to wait in the end of this correction. It's likely XRP find a support in $1.13, $1.20. Right now the price is consolidation in this area. Okay, it's going up and down in this area. Every time we get a drop, we get a correction in Bitcoin, the price going in 1.13, something like that. And when we get a little pump, the price come back in 1.20, 1.22 for XRP. But guys, the goal for the target for XRP is not change. We're waiting for get $1.41 and $1.71, and when we broken 171 will be an explosion for XRP. Easily we can get our all-time high around $4 XRP. If we looking Shiba Inu, what we can see in Shiba Inu, in 1 day chart, we close the candle 8 for bullish, 1 for bearish. The new candle open 13 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. In market cipher B, we can see the momentum wave is going below to the zero line here. Yesterday was likely recover and get a green dot, but finally going down, and is still going down. Okay, the VWAP is likely going sideways, but a little bit going down. RSI stochastic going down. We need to waiting probably Monday to see a reaction to the upside for Shiba Inu. I expect may a flash crash too for Shiba Inu and get 0.00039. This is the old all-time high for Shiba Inu, and may get a consolidation between 0.00039 and 0.00060. Probably this is what I expect for Shiba Inu right now. If we look in 4-hour chart, we can see the money flow is still in red. It's very high. It's mine 26 in 2-hour too, in 1 hour. It's a little bit improved here, but it's likely another time going create another big wave, red wave, the money flow. We need to waiting for see some kind of reaction to the upside for Shiba Inu. Our goal is come back, retest our golden pocket 0.0007072, and our final goal in the short term for Shiba Inu is 0.0001. This is everything for today, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.